everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the last videos and I hope you enjoyed getting to know me. So this video will be on my healthy hair tutorials, so what I use to maintain my hair healthy, which products did I use when I straighten my hair, because you guys saw in one of the earliest videos that I posted on YouTube that I have curly hair naturally. As you can see, my makeup is done and my hair is not. So I just filmed a video on this eye look. So if you are interested on knowing how I created this look and which products that I've used, stay tuned to watch the next video. It will come out just a few days after this one will come up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll start. So first of all, it's very important to use the right shampoo for your hair. So for those of you who saw my last video, you guys know that my mom is a barber and she is owner of a barber shop, and her associates are owner of hairdresser salon, women or men or whatever. Anyway, so it's very important to use the right shampoo for you. As you can see in some of my other videos, you guys saw that I am addicted to Davines, which is an ecological brand that is all about recycling and everything. I just really love that brand and the products are amazing. I mean, really amazing. But there is shampoos for every type of budget, and I know the Davines could be a bit more expensive depending where you come from or whatever. They are a little bit higher quality, that's why. But there is other brands like Matrix or Balayage Matrix, or you could have Paul Mitchell or even Catwalk, Moroccan oil that also are a little expensive. You have René Filtrera that also could be made for you. So the important thing is to find a shampoo that suits your type of hair. So I would recommend to go in the hairdresser salon, especially if you find that your hair is very dry, that if you find that you could have also seasonal oil hair or dandruff or whatever you have. If you have trouble with your hair, you have a lot of cuts, I really recommend you to go see a hairdresser salon that sells products, and they will really recommend on which products you should use for your type of hair. So I have a lot of clients that said, oh, I heard about this brand and that brand. Yes, the brands are really good, but it doesn't mean that it's made for you. Each brand is made for a type of hair, and sometimes the brands have a bit of everything, so it's easier for you to find. But you really have to find the perfect shampoo for you. It might take 1 or 2 shots before you find the perfect one that really suits you. And another thing that is important to know, you cannot use the same shampoo forever. So I always recommend to the clients that I serve at the salon that once a bottle of shampoo is done, just switch for another thing. Not because it's not good for you and it's not going to work for you anymore. It's just because it's like a medication. When you take too much of the same medication, sometimes it stops working for you. So more than twice, I would say the same type of shampoo, just change for something, just for 2 weeks break, and then you go back to the shampoo that you have. But I also recommend just to switch shampoos once in a while. So what I use is the Natural Tech Renewing Shampoo from Davines, which is the longevity shampoo for all scalp and hair type. So this is one of the shampoos that I really recommend if ever you have to switch between one type of shampoo to another one, because it's really just adding a lot of vitamins to your hair, renewing your hair, helping get all the vitamins that it needs, and it works for a little bit of everything, a little bit of repair, a little bit of shine, a little bit of everything, right? So this shampoo costs about $30 Canadian, and there is no water added in the Davines product, so it's absolutely 100% concentrated. So you need to add a lot of water in your hair, and then you wash your hair with a bit of shampoo. And the first shampoo always never mousses as much as you would like, but the second one will mousse a lot. So there's no chemical products in the Davines shampoo, so they will never mousse as much as the shampoo that you will find at a drugstore, because there's a lot more chemicals inside and a lot more salt that helps the hair from the shampoo from moussing in the hair. The conditioner that I use is also from Davines. I like to stay in the same brand as my shampoo and my conditioner, and the one that I use is the Melu conditioner, the Melu anti-breakage lustrous conditioner for long or damaged hair. Conditioner that is made with lentil seed extract, and yeah, so that's what it is. It smells absolutely divine. Absolutely divine, and it is very concentrated, and the texture is a little bit thicker than every other type of conditioner that you might see. But you just need about a 25 cents amount, not even, depending how long your hair is. and you just really need to work it in your ends, and the ends will just absorb everything. You leave it for about 3 minutes, never to the scalp, always to the length of the hair, and then you rinse it, and that is my shampoo and my conditioner that I use. Then I also usually wait for my hair to be a bit more dry before combing them, and I comb my hair with this brush that is a 1907 brush. This is just a brand, but it's a regular brush. And then I comb my hair. I have no products in my hair right now, and you could see all the shine. It's just really the shampoo, the conditioner that gives me a lot of shine. As you could see in my other videos, I use the coconut Revlon, but today I decided to use something else just to show you a different type of product. So the one that I will be using is the Oligo Blacklight 18-in-1 Hair Beautifier. So it provides light conditioning against color fade, shine and luster, hydrates, detangles, protects from free radicals, protect against heat damage, smooth split ends, prevent breakage, straightens and protects against environmental control, frizz, reduce statics, provide silky feel. So this has a lot of more benefits, but these are just a few that I read. So what I do is that I shake the bottle, and I don't go directly on my hair because just like the Revlon, it's a bit creamy, and I just go like this in my ends, and then I pass like this on top. I use this one really more for the treatment aspect. Even when I get my hair and I leave them curly, I use it, especially on vacation, because it protects from the sun, and I just really love it. Sometimes I use the Blowdry primer from Davines, so this is what it looks like, and this is from Your Hair Assistant, conceived and designed by Angelo Seminara. So this is what it is, and this is really just a spray. So I just spray a little like this, and this one is anti-humidity and bodifying tonic. That's what I do. I look a little crazy right now. And then I take my blow dryer and I just take out a lot of the water, especially at the end, because it will be a lot faster to blow dry. So then what I do is that I divide my hair. Then I will be using this brush just to really pull like this and dry this part right here. And it just really pulls from the frizz that I might have at the root. Then I switch to a large brush. This is the large brush from Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. So now that my hair has been dried, I'm just going to pass a bit the iron, and the iron that I use is the Area Beauty ceramic plate. And there's a line in the middle. I'm trying to show you. There's a red cut in the middle of one of the plate. And it's just a laser that it's going to bring out the shine, the natural shine of your hair. And I absolutely love this flat iron. It's the one that I always use when you see me with my ends curled or whatever. I always do it with my flat iron. I really love it, and since it's made a bit curvy, the hair just really slides perfectly. So it goes to 450 degrees. So what I do now is just I cut my hair again like this. I divide them in pieces. I comb my hair like this. I add got this Lisap Ultimate Spray Hydrating Revitalizing, and it's heat protector. Like this a little. Pass the brush. Take the iron and just Then to complete my look, I just add a bit of this Kevin Murphy Young Again infused treatment oil. So there you have my hair look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and you have a question, just comment down below, leave me a question, and I will be pleased to do a new video on it and just add some stuff that you guys might want to know. And I will see you in the next video.